Hello, this is Astrid with Kanen Coffee. I have this Jura A1 that came in with some issues with the coffee grounds. Normally they form a small puck in this tray underneath, and they weren't doing that, and in addition the grounds were getting into the brewed coffee. So I did a full tune-up on the machine. So I took out the brew unit, cleaned it, lubricated it, replaced the gasket in there, and also when I pulled it out I noticed that this was broken. This kind of scrapes the coffee out into that tray, so this is broken here. I just replaced it with a new one, and then I descaled the machine and back flushed the coffee system. So I'm gonna just do a quick demo and show you that everything is working. Here we got a shot of espresso, and I'll show you the puck. Here you can see a nice puck. That's about it for this video. Thanks for watching.